Hey friends with Homestead, welcome back. Today's video is gonna be super random, I think. Apologize for not posting a video in the last couple weeks. I was doing pretty good there. We were I'd made a sort of a commitment to myself to try and post 2 videos a week, and it worked out pretty well until my wife Tanya went back to work for maternity leave. And then I have the kids all to myself. And as a lot of you will know, a 2.5-year-old and a 3-4 month old is a lot of work. We've got a yeller over here. Are you gonna walk with me? Yeah. Anyway, I don't know if you can see here, I got a little kiddo in the carrier. It's a really nice day today, although a smidge chilly. I don't know, the sun's really warm. But I just wanted to take a walk and talk and make a video, I guess. Over Easter, this is dedicated to you two, my cousin Luke and his Jose. What are you to me? You're my cousin's husband, cousin-in-law, I guess. Anyway, they were both like, hey, like your videos, keep making them. So I appreciate you guys, and it was encouragement. It's been surprisingly hard to make the decision to pick up the camera or my phone and make a video. But here we are. So this is the ramblings of a madman, so I'm gonna have to probably split this into a couple videos. Let's see what's new on the farm. Not a lot. Chickens are still free ranging. I'm waiting for the pasture. Let me see if I can get. I can't tell what's in frame, but unless I spin it around, the pastures are greening up, and they're not tall enough to graze yet, I don't think. I looked up a bunch of videos on YouTube on how tall the grass should be. I mean, there's grass there that could be grazed, but I don't want to stunt the grass. We need enough leaf there to collect sun, and if I shorten it up too much, it won't grow back as fast. So I'll show you guys this year as I rotate the cows around the pasture how that works, but we definitely want to give the grass time to rest, and it's not quite grown enough yet to, I think, start grazing it, because I really want it to be able to come back. So I'm hoping maybe in the next week, I'm shooting for having some clumps that are 10 to 12 inches. It's what seems to be a lot of people who are real in the know on grazing shoot for, although they're all over the country, so it's hard to adjust to your location. I don't have anyone right here. Actually, I do have there's a local guy I can talk to, but which I might do that now that I think of it. So we're just outside enjoying it's a little windy. We're outside enjoying some sunshine today. And yeah, I don't know. Just ramble on. Yeah, we're walking around. So we'll see. Hopefully I don't have to edit this down too much, and we can just make it a quick and easy post. Sometimes I get a little carried away with learning to edit new stuff, and the editing takes 3 or 4 times as long as making the video, which I think is pretty normal, but we're shooting for a little more low maintenance of a YouTube channel here for a little while, until the kiddos get bigger. Things are starting to grow for sure. Signs of spring. We got daffodils. Glenn and Patty, if you're watching, you can see obviously I didn't do very good at cleaning that out, but we're gonna try and do try and keep things going as best we can while we have little teeny children. It's remarkably hard to get to the slightly fiddlier things. But trees are budding out, daffodils everywhere. Got rhubarb popping up in a few places. Everything's budding out. It's just starting to feel really, things are coming alive. So that's pretty exciting. All right. Well, maybe we'll cut this one here and I'll start the next one, make it a new idea. But see if I can get out a couple of different thought processes here without it being too crazy. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out. Stay tuned for the next video. It'll be a continuation of this one with, I guess, a different topic. All right, see ya.